Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Dino Mama. Today I am making spider deviled eggs because this is a party staple and the spiders, olives, make it just a little funner. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see is what is available in my home or local grocery. First thing you'll need is 12 large eggs. Here's the traditional method of making hard boiled eggs. Place the eggs in a large saucepan and fill the pan with enough cold water to cover the eggs. Bring the water to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 15 minutes. Or you can do it my way, the easy way. Use an egg cooker according to its instructions. Regardless of the method you choose, while they cook, fill a large bowl with ice water. When the eggs are ready, use a slotted spoon or tongs to transfer to the ice bath and let cool so they can be handled. Remove the eggs from the ice water. Gently pat each egg against your work surface, rolling it back and forth with just a slight bit of pressure so the shell cracks and can easily be removed. Once the shells are all removed, cut each egg in half lengthwise. Next, scoop out the yolks and transfer them to a medium bowl. Leave your empty egg white halves on a serving platter. They're just waiting to be filled. Add 1/3 cup of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard to the egg yolks and use a fork or masher to mash the yolks and mix it all together. Season with salt and pepper. You can also add paprika, garlic salt, or any spices you like. Talking about deviled eggs, did you know Diabloceratops literally means devil horned face? Spoon the yolk mixture into the egg white halves, or you can use a pastry bag to fill the whites, which looks very pretty, but isn't necessary if you put spiders on top. Next, you'll need 24 pitted black olives. To make the spiders, cut the olives in half and place one half cut side down in the center of your deviled egg to make a body. Cut the remaining half of your olive lengthwise into 8 thin slivers to create your legs. These should be served at once or covered and refrigerated for up to 1 day. I'm not a huge fan of olives on my eggs, and my friends here, Steggy and Rexy, they agree. So if you want, just sprinkle some paprika or black pepper on top for color and flavor. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and remember, only nice people get sweets.